Yes, yesterday we have studied about the surface area of sphere and hemisphere. What is the total surface area of sphere?
4 pi r square.
4 pi
R
r
square.
square. And what is the curved surface area of hemisphere?
Pi r square.
And the total surface area of hemisphere? 3 pi r square. This we have studied yesterday and we have solved some questions. Okay. Now today we will come to the volume of cuboid. First we understand what is the volume. Volume. Yes. What is volume? Volume. What do you know about the volume? Do you know the definition? What is the definition of volume? Radheshri, what is the definition of volume? What is the definition of volume? The volume of any figure. Volume of any figure is the amount of space occupied by the figure. Amount of space occupied by the figure. How much space it is occupied is the volume of this figure. Okay? How we find it? Look here. This is a cuboid. You have seen the cuboid? Cuboid has length, breadth and height. Length, breadth and height. Okay. Now what I am doing? What is the area of the base? This is the length and this is breadth. Area of base is length into breadth. Okay. Now what I am doing? I am doing the slices of this cuboid. Small slices. Have you seen the potato slices?
Yes.
And now I make very thin slices. Very thin. Yes. Whose height is negligible. Okay. So this is the base area. Now so how many slices we have? We have many slices. Okay. So each slices cover the some part.
Yes, sir.
How much area is covered by this figure is called. How much space is covered by this figure is called its volume. So the base area. So volume of cuboid
L into V into H.
is equal to base area into. There are many slices. The slices have the height h. It has height
Yes, sir.
h. So up to h height. Up to h height. So volume of the figure is
L into V.
base area into height. So base area is, this is length, this is breadth. Length into breadth and height is h. Height is h. And the unit of volume is cubic unit.
Yes, sir.
Unit of volume is
Cubic.
cubic unit. Clear? How we find the volume of any figure, cuboid?
L
Clear?
into V into H.
Now, when we are thinking about cube, cube, so volume of cube, in the cube all the sides are equal. all the sides are equal. So volume of cube is side into side.
Yes, sir.
That is side cube,
Yes, sir.
or you can say a cube.
Sir,
Okay.
ये साइड क्यूब है इसमें से क्यूबिक वही लगेगा ना unit?
Yes. The unit of volume is always cubic unit. It is also cubic unit. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So these are the two formulas we will use in our next exercise. Okay. So all the first question.
Yes, sir.
on the board please.
Clear to all? Now first question. 1 minute. A matchbox measures 4 centimeter by 2.5 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. What will be the volume of a packet containing 12 such boxes?
सर आंसर आ गया सर आंसर आ गया
100. So what you did? First we find the volume of each matchbox. Okay? First we find the volume of each matchbox. So volume of one matchbox. Volume of one matchbox is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into what is length? 4 into 2.5 into 1.5 cubic centimeter.
180 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब
Cubic centimeter. Okay. When we find the volume, the unit will be cubic unit. Okay. So 4 into 2.5 is 10. 10 into 1.5 is 15. 15 cubic centimeter.
यस सर
Okay.
Into
Now this weight box is kept in the packet, and in that packet, how many such boxes are there? 12. So volume of the packet will be
15
volume of one weight box into
15
12 into 12. So volume of packet containing 12 such match boxes is equal to 12 into volume of one match box. Volume of one match box. Okay? Now, so it is equal to 12 into 15.
180
It is equal to
180 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब
centimeter.
यस
This is the answer. Clear? So in this way we can find the
आंसर ऑफ द क्वेश्चन
answer of the question. Now the second one. A cuboidal water tank. A cuboidal water tank. A I don't want to see anybody sitting idle. Solve the questions in your copy. Solve the question in your copy. Solve the question in your copy. Now the second question. The second question. A cuboidal water tank 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. Water tank is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 4.5 meter deep. How many liters of water can it hold? How many liters of water can it hold? Liters of water means we have to find the capacity. That is the volume. When you find the volume will be in the cubic meter. Now we have to convert it into liter. And we know that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. So question number 2 is yes. First we find the volume of cuboidal tank. First, what is given? Here, length is equal to 6 meter, breadth is equal to 5 meter, and depth or height is equal to 4.5 meter. So volume of cuboidal tank, volume of cuboidal tank will be formula length into breadth into height, and length is 6 into 5 into 4.5. The unit of volume is cubic.
Sir, 135 centimeter cube. Meter cube.
Cubic meter or
135.
6 5s are 30. 30 into 4.5.
135.
135
Meter cube.
cubic meter. Cubic meter. Okay. So this is the volume of cuboidal tank. Now the question is, how many liter of water can it hold? The cuboidal tank the capacity of the cuboidal tank is 135 meter cube. Now we have to convert it into liter. Since 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter, so 135 cubic meter is equal to 135 into 1000 liter. That is
Liter.
so answer
135,000.
it can hold cuboidal tank. The capacity of the cuboidal tank is
135,000.
yes 135,000 liter. The capacity of cuboidal tank is 135,000 liter. Clear? Now, okay. Now, listen. A cuboidal vessel. Third question. Have you noted this one?
सर ये सारे क्वेश्चन क्यूबॉइड पे डिपेंड है.
Yes, cuboid and cube. Now, third question. A cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. Cuboidal vessel is 10 meter long and 8 meter wide. How high must it be made to hold 380 cubic meters of liquid? means the volume of vessel is given. The volume of vessel is given. Length and breadth is also given. We have to find the height. Okay. Number 3.
Question number 3.
Here, question number 3. Here, length of vessel. Length is equal to 10 meter. Breadth 8 meter. And volume of vessel, volume of cuboidal vessel is equal to 380 cubic meter. Okay, it is given. And we have to find height. So we will take this one and then we will find the height. Since volume of cuboidal vessel is equal to 380 cubic meter. Okay? 380 cubic meter. Volume is length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height is equal to 380 cubic meter. Okay? Now, length is given, breadth is equal to 380. So, H is equal to 380 upon 10 into 8. Okay? All this
4.75.
Yes, what is the height?
4.75.
4.75. This is the answer.
Of the question.
Okay? This is the answer of the question. Yes. Yes, solve the fourth one. Okay. Solve the question number 4. Done? Have you done the fourth question?
Yes,
Very good. Who will come here? Sarthak come. No, madam. Video will not be passed. You have to come here and solve. Yes, come. Question number. Write the question number. 5. If you have completed question 4, then solve the question number 5.
Sir, direct कर दो।
हाँ,
सर के बाद हम करेंगे
अब पीटी सर ने पीटी लेते
हाँ।
पीटी लिखा है हो गया ना?
सर के बाद
yes, yes. I will give you the opportunity. Don't worry. Cuboidal pit. Cuboidal pit means गड्ढा. है ना? It has to be met. The length, the width, and height is given. And we have to find the we have to find the cost. And you are writing volume.
सर वॉल्यूम
So first you find the volume and then find the cost. Otherwise you have to write the cost of yeah, cost of digging a cuboidal pit. So what you write here? Cost of digging cuboidal pit at the rate of, and it is equal to volume into rate. Now it is correct. Only what you have to do? Cost of digging cuboidal pit at the rate of rupees 30 per cubic meter is equal to volume into rate. And what is volume? Length into breadth into height, and rate is rupees 30. Just you will find the answer. Very good. Now question number 5. Who will come?
इंग्लिश मैन सर हमारे सर आपका
Yes, who want to come?
सर
Girls?
सर
Anyone want to come? Solve question 5.
सर हमारे सर सामने बैठे
Ayan? Come. Solve the question 5.
सर आपने बोला
Huh? Question 5.
सर इक्वल राइट सर
बुक लेके आ गई ना तू
The question is, yes, you do it. The capacity of a cuboidal tank is 50,000 liter of water. Capacity means the volume. Okay, the volume of the tank is 50,000 liter. Okay, find the breadth of the tank if its length and depth. Depth means height are respectively 2.5 meter and 10 meter. Okay, you have given the volume in liter. So either you first convert the liter into cubic meter or you convert the volume of the tank in the liter. Okay, so better you convert the liter into cubic meter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. So 50,000 liter means 50,000 upon 1000 cubic meter. Okay, it means 50 cubic meter is the volume. You look here, 50,000 liter is equal to 50,000 upon 1000 cubic meter, which is equal to 50 cubic meter. Okay? Otherwise, the question will be in your mind how 50 comes.
Answer 2 meter.
2 meter, yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
So volume is equal to length into breadth into height, which is equal to 2. Okay? So breadth is 2 meter. Clear? Now the next question number 6. A village having a population of 4,000. The population of the village is 4,000. The population of the village and 150 liter of water is required per head per day. Every day you consume some water.
Yes, sir.
So the population of the village also consumes water.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay? And every person consumes 150 liter of water per day. Okay? The use of water per head per day is equal to 150 liter. Okay? Find, it has a tank. Every village has a water tank. You have seen the water tank in our city also.
Yes.
So the measurement of the tank is 20 meter by 50 meter by 15 meter by 6 meter. For how many days will the water of this tank last?
3 days.
We have to find how many days the water of this tank will last. Now the capacity, the measurement of tank. What is the measurement of tank? Is equal to 20 by 15 meter by 6 meter. Okay? What you have to find?
Sir,
The number of days water
will last.
will last. We have to find
Number of days.
number of days
The water will be lost.
water
So,
of tank will last. Okay, this we have to find. So what we do? First we find the volume of tank. This is given. Now volume of tank. Volume of tank is equal to length into breadth into height, which is 20 into 15 into 6 cubic
1800.
meter. Okay, which is equal to
1800. 1800.
1800.
Yes, sir.
15 2s are 30 and 50 20s are 300. 300 6s are 1800
meter cube.
meter. Okay, this is the volume of tank.
Yes, sir.
Now listen. What is given? That the use of water per head per day is 150 liter and our volume is in cubic meter. So we will convert it into liter. So 1800 into
1000.
1000 liter.
18 lakh meter.
So 80
Lakh liter.
lakh liter. है ना?
Yes, sir.
This is the
Answer.
no. This is the volume of tank.
No.
Now we find the use of water by the village per day. The use of water of the village
Per day.
per day. Look here. Use of water by village people per day is equal to population into
Water usage
into water used by per head per day is 150 liter.
by 18 lakh.
That is 15 fours are 60, 154 are 600 liter. Okay. So number of days is equal to volume of tank
Divided by
upon use of water by
per day.
use of water in 1 day. Use of water in
1 day.
1 day by village people. That is 18 lakh upon
6 lakh.
6 lakh.
Equal to 3 days.
18 lakh
Upon 6 lakh.
upon 6 lakh. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 6 threes are 80. Is equal to 3
Days.
is equal to
3 days.
3 days.
Answer I
So in this way we have done this one. So answer is 3 days. Answer is
3 days.
3 days. In 3 days the water will last of the tank.
मतलब 18 लाख
Yes.
से 3 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा.
Yes, 18 lakh liter water will be consumed within 3 days. Clear? So answer is the water will last in 3 days. Okay? So today we have finished our
Chapter.
chapter. The remaining question is your homework. If you find any difficulty, tell me.
Sir, correct the menu.